Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Bose SoundLink 2 mini speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair this speaker with your iOS device. So at first we have to scroll down to a control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. Now we have to go into pairing mode. To go into pairing mode we have to
Connected to Galaxy S21
hold our finger on this Bluetooth button for a while.
Ready to pair another device.
Now as you can see we are now in pairing mode. Now we have to click on our device.
Connected to test iPhone and Galaxy S21 FE 5G.
That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.